Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Shayantini and I make videos on beauty, makeup and lifestyle. If you are new in this channel, you can start by subscribing to my channel and watch my videos to see if you like them or not, and please support me on my journey of YouTube. Today's video is going to be another review video, and today I'm going to review a hair care range that I have been trying for the past few weeks. If you are very active on Instagram and YouTube, you must have heard about this brand. This brand is doing amazing wonders to everyone's skin and hair, and so I thought of trying it myself and see if the claims are right or wrong and how they works on me. Their most popular range of hair care is their apple cider vinegar range. So for shampoo and hair mask I went for the apple cider vinegar range, and for the conditioner I went to the avocado range. Why is WOW so popular among everybody? First of all, their products are all natural. They are produced and processed in the Himalayas, and they use the best possible ingredients in their products. And I have done a research on their products and their ingredients. I went to their website and they are doing a great job of empowering women who are in need. I think that is a great thing to do. All their products are basically paraben, sulfate and cruelty free, and they are made of all natural products. They don't have any harsh chemicals in their shampoos or in their any other skincare products or hair care products. So without further ado, let's jump into the review. First of all, let me talk about the packaging of their products. So the products, the shampoo and the conditioner and the hair mask came in this kind of cardboard box, which is very environment friendly. I think they haven't used any plastic. You can feel that it is all in paper. That's about it. That's their packaging, and this is their hair mask packaging. They're very sturdy. The box are even very sturdy, and these are the products, actual products which came in those cardboard boxes. This is the apple cider vinegar shampoo, and this is the hair conditioner with organic virgin coconut oil and avocado oil. These bottles are of plastic, and they come with a pump which is extremely handy. You can travel with them. These pumps can also be locked, so you can carry this while you are traveling without any tension of them leaking out or getting your clothes messy. All the information about this product is listed in this label as well as in this box. So first I'm going to talk about this apple cider vinegar shampoo. What apple cider vinegar does to your skin and your hair is beyond your imagination. This shampoo is basically for those who have dandruff issues all year round. This can efficiently remove all your dandruff, and also this has DHT blockers. DHT is a hormone which is responsible for your hair loss. They have used actually 2 natural DHT blockers which blocks the hormone and arrests hair fall. So this is great for that also. This shampoo is also very gentle on your scalp, on your hair. This is also paraben, sulfate and all the harsh chemicals free, so you don't have to think about damaging your hair using this shampoo. This shampoo actually works differently on everyone's scalp and hair. My sister has used this one, but this didn't suit her, but this suits my hair type and my scalp type. And this product has all the vegetarian ingredients. This is a 300 ml product, and the price of this is 499 rupees, which I think is really good for the ingredients they have used and the fact that these are chemical free. This product is very runny in consistency, and also this smells very fruity. Because this has apple cider vinegar in it. It doesn't lather much compared to your regular shampoo, obviously because they don't use any harsh chemicals in this. But if you take 4 to 5 pumps of it and dilute it in water, it will produce more lather than usual, and 4 or 5 pumps is I think enough for cleansing my hair length. I have medium hair, like you can call it long hair, and 4 to 5 pumps is enough for washing my hair. Believe you me, this product cleanses your scalp like really nicely. It makes your scalp squeaky clean without making it dry or itchy. Before shampooing my hair once in a week, or if I feel like it, I use this hair mask, the apple cider hair mask. This is also without any paraben, sulfate or any other harsh chemical. It is also not tested on animals, so it is cruelty free. and the product is really smells really nice, really fruity, and this is not very thick. It's like a lotion like texture, thicker than a conditioner but not very thick like what usually the hair masks are like. And so it is very easy for you to apply on your hair. If you have dry and itchy scalp, you can use a little of this and massage it onto your scalp. The essential oils in it will eventually help in restoring moisture into your scalp and make it hydrated and not that much itchy. Now let's talk about the conditioner, which is an avocado and coconut conditioner. It has cold pressed coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, and also premium argan oil, which penetrates deep into the shaft of your hair and naturally volumizes it. So this is actually a conditioner that adds volume to your hair naturally. If you use this and expect an overnight result, it won't give you an overnight result. You have to use this continuously because these are all natural products. They don't contain any chemicals, so it won't give you like instant result. You have to keep using it for that. This product is also sulfate, paraben and cruelty free, and they use all natural products. These are made in the Himalayas. We use all the natural mountain products like produces to produce this. This is also a 300 ml product and price is 495 rupees, and the hair mask is 200 ml and the price is 499 rupees as well.